3, 2, 1, टेक.
वेलकम बॅक. आम्ही भासाभास करता पॉइंट काउंटर पॉइंट प्रोग्रामान आणि ताचो बेज असा पोगो बिल. झारखंड असेंब्लीन जे बिल पास केला की 1932 लँड रेकॉर्ड्स जांच्याकडे आसात ते झारखंड वासी जातले आणि तांकांच रिजर्वेशन मेळटले. ताच्या बेसिसाचेर पोगो बिल कशें आसा हाचेर आमी भासाभास करतले. ब्रेकार वचपाच्या पयलीं तांच्यानी एक मुद्दो मांडिल्लो. तोच मुद्दो आमी फुडें व्हरया की 61 जेन्ना गोवा लिबरेट जालें आणि 63 हांगा लोकनियुक्त सरकार भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांचे आयले. ताच्या मदल्या 2 वर्सांनी कितलेशेच गोंयकार जगभर गेले आणि कितलेशेच इंडियेंतले मनीस गोंयान आयले. असो एक मिक्स कल्चर हांगा जालो. तर हे सगळे सिच्युएशन आसतना गोंयकार डिफायन करपाचो जो प्रोसेस आसा तो भायर गेल्ल्या गोंयकारांकय त्रासदायक ठरतलो, गोंयान बाकीचे रावता तांकां त्रासदायक ठरतलो. हाचे कडेन बीजेपी म्हणून तुम्ही कशें पळयता?
नाही, हांव थोडेसो आनीक मातसो फाटी वता. तुम्ही 1961 म्हणलें, हांव 200 वर्सां आनीक फाटी वता. जेन्ना हांगा इन्क्विजिशन जालें तेन्ना हांगचे खुबशे फॅमिली गोंय सोडून वचचे पडले सारकें. फोर्स करून तांकां भायर वचचें पडलें की आपलें अस्तित्व खंय तरी सांबाळपा खातीर. सो गोंयकार कोण हो मुद्दो परत फाटी वता.
खूप जण आपले देव घेवन सिंधुदुर्ग रत्नागिरी त्या भागान गेल्ले आसा. अजून आमकां मेळटा ते.
म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार हांगच्यान कोचीन पर्यंत गेले.
फोर्ट कोचीन गोंयकार,
फोर्ट कोचीन कोंकणी उलोवपी खुबशे गोंयकार आसात. आतां तांचे डेफिनेटली तांचे अस्तित्व तांचे कल्चर वेगळें जाल्लें आसा. म्हणून ते आमचेच हांगचे आमचे भाव तांचे मानता की आमचे थोडेशे भाव आपले धर्म आपले अस्तित्व सांबाळपाक गोंया भायर गेले. एक भाव हांगा रावलो, एक भाव थंय गेलो, अशें खुबशे फॅमिलीन जाल्ले आसा. सो म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार हो मुद्दो हो खूप म्हणजे आम्ही जेन्ना डॉमिसायल डिस्क्रायब केल्या, आय थिंक इट इज लेट टू रेस्ट. इट इज नो लॉंगर म्हणजे आताच्या जगान तरी डेफिनेटली म्हणजे कितलेशेच गोंयकार, असंख्य गोंयकार गोंया भायर म्हणजे फक्त भारत देश न्ही की जगभर पसरल्या नामनेची कामां करता. अशें न्ही की गोंयकारांक खंयच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळूं ना. गोंयकार हांगच्यान भायर वचून खुबशे शायन जाल्ले आसा. आनी हाज्या भायरूय म्हणजे जेन्ना आमचे लिबरेट जाले तेन्ना गोंयांक शिक्षण नाशिल्लें. गोंयांक शिकोवपाक शिक्षक नाशिल्ले.
शिक्षक, तलाठी, ग्रामसेवक, पुलीस सगळे भायल्यान
इंजिनियर नाशिल्ले आमचे डिपार्टमेंटा चलोवपाक. कित्याक पोर्चुगीजांनी ते कल्चरच डेव्हलप करूं नाशिल्ले. आमकां भाऊसाहेबाक तेन्ना भायल्यान शिक्षक इंजिनियर हाडचे पडले. तांणी गोंयची सेवा करून गोंयची उदरगत केल्या. सो एव्हरीबडीज कंट्रिब्युशन फॉर टू गोवा हॅज टू बी रिकॉग्नायज्ड.
म्हणजे तुमकां अशें दिसता की जे आता गोंयान आसा तांच्या भितर फूट घालप ना, जे आसा ते सगळे गोंयकार.
डेफिनेटली ज्यांनी गोंयची ह्या
सगळ्यांक सारखे मेळपाक जाय.
ज्यांनी ह्या भूमीक कर्मभूमी मादून जी सेवा केल्या त्या सेवेचे सगळ्यांक सार्थक जावपाकच जाय.
सी आम्ही एक मानून घेवंक जाय, वेदर यू लायक इट ऑर नॉट. Nobody, especially this Goyakar code and kide, it is happening in the political circles. And it is the politicians who are bringing up that issue. It is nothing but a vote bank politics. We must accept one position, that today we are becoming a global village. हांव गोंयकार, तूं हांगासर, आमचे आतां लोक कितले बॉम्बे गेले, ते नोबिता गोंयचे ते सगळे
बांद्रा सगळे गोंयकार.
नोबिता लावस कंप्लीट गोवन. सो
क्लब आसा
ऑल एवरी बिल्डिंग इज द गोवन क्लब्स. Please understand. We must understand first that humanity should be now. It's all created. Caste is brought in, definition of a state is brought in, culture is brought in, only to divide, nothing to unite. So let us not fall prey to politicians like me who will try to incite people or certain section for vote banks. I think the time has come, and I believe that people of Goa are realizing, and they will think. And later on you will see in the coming 5 years the voting pattern will be more on reasons than on emotions.
गोंयकार खूप मॅच्युअर आसा आता.
So emotions are,
if I may just add, you see we are
तुम्हीच मुद्दो मांडलेलो की गोंयकार खूपशे भायर गेले. हांवें ताका इन एडिशन केले की गोंयानय खूप जण आयले. तेका लागून तो मुद्दो तुम्ही फुडें व्हरत आसा.
कितें आसा पळय, as I said before, that cross migration always takes place. That is historical. ते गोंया जाता अशें न्ही, भायरूय जाता. पूण वाय आमकां गोंया अशें कित्याक दिसता? बिकॉज कितें आसता पळय, 10 रुपयांतले 1 रुपया काडल्यार रुपया काडला सुद्दां व्हडलो दिसता. पूण हजारांतलो रुपया वतात काडीत जाल्यार इट लुक्स मिनिंगलेस, आय मीन मिनिस्क्यूल. ओके, गोंयांक तशें जाता सद्या. गोंय, बिकॉज वी आर अ स्मॉलर स्टेट, लेस पॉप्युलेशन, एनी चेंज इन डेमोग्राफी इज is seen immediately. Dista, like especially in the urban areas. So भायले आयले. Now भायले भितरल्या करच्या परस कितें? If this bill had to address one major issue of Goa and not pinpointing a certain section or certain community or certain people coming from a certain area of India, is to define the carrying capacity. In fact, तेंचो तो हे आसा पळय न्ही कोण चीफ सो कॉल्ड चीफ आसा पळय आमी एक्चुअली मांडिल्लो तेजे कडेन बाबा instead of doing all these things why not everybody sit together, we said this is the carrying capacity X. It can be fixed at 20 lakhs, it can be fixed at 25. We can fix urban carrying capacity, rural carrying capacity, ते तर करीत. And then we say, because it's not about protecting people per se, it's also protecting the environment, the topography which is there in Goa. Hill म्हणतो, biodiversity म्हणतो, ते protect करपाक जाय. So this bill, because it is so much narrow in its perception, in its outlook as a narrow as a that is another reason why this bill is not good. So therefore, as I said, carrying capacity जर करीत, carrying capacity जर करीत, and ते तर जालें, believe me, we can still without this POGO bill. Because everybody is a human being, nobody जे कोण पोगो करता पळय न्ही तेंच्याय मनान अशें ना की बाबा भायल्यांक हें करचें म्हणून उडोवचें. नो,
आता ते जावंक शकना.
नो आता ते एक तर जावचें ना. इवन मेनी ऑफ देम फील दॅट इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर within POGO.
आता शक्यच ना.
Yes, शक्यच ना. That's an issue. But they also don't accept it. They also don't believe it. So ते तर करीत न्ही. To a large extent, even without this bill, we can address issues concerning Goa. Goans कितें म्हणतो मागीर, we can still address them. But we need that approach. Rather than dividing people and say, तू गोंयकार आनी हो भायलो, तू गोंयकार आनी हो भायलो, then calling people names and then say, no, आमी म्हणटलेच तें, because जाणट्यांनी आमकां शिकयलां. कोणें कोणाक शिकोवना. कोणाक शिकोवना. As Projan Baban म्हणला तशें, it is all for politics with the aim to do some political damage to somebody and to maybe benefit for somebody and maybe to your own self and aspirations. This bill has been brought.
सिद्धार्थ बाब, तुम्ही पॉलिटिक्सान आहात, तुम्ही एक्स MLA आसात, तुम्ही पॉलिटिक्स लागींच्यान पळयता, पॉलिटिक्स करतातय, तुम्ही यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल गेम्स. तर म्हाका एक सांगा, असलो जो एक लोकांक फटोवपाचो विशय आसता, गोंयकारांक फटोवपाचो विशय आसता की एक खंयचो तरी विशय घेवप, इलेक्शनच्या टायमार तो भायर काडप, मिटिंग्स घेवप आनी एक पोलरायझेशन ऑफ वोट्स करप, हाका आन्सर कितें आसा, पॉलिटिकल आन्सर कितें आसूं शकता?
It's the development and overall development of the state and the social development is the answer to this. एक तर infrastructure development for the welfare of the people आणि social schemes. जे लोकांचो पैसो लोकांकडे कसो पावप, हे जर म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक गव्हर्नमेंटान जर पळयत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता इट विल रिझॉल्व मोस्ट ऑफ द इश्यूज.
म्हणजे तुमकां सोशल रिफॉर्म्स जे आसा ते फुडें हाडचे पडटले अशें दिसता.
डेफिनेटली आतांच दोतोरान एक नवें डायमेन्शन हाका दिला की वाय नॉट डिफायन अ कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी. आमी सगळे राजकारणी, सगळे सोशल थिंकर्स, लीगल पर्सन्स लायक दोतोर हॅव टू कम टुगेदर. सी फायनली कशें आसा, आमचें गोंय हें माणकुलें गोंय. आमकां जरी 3700 स्क्वेअर मीटर आसा तातूंतले 67% इज ग्रीन. तातूंत ऑर्चर्ड आसतले, फॉरेस्ट आसतले, प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट आसतले.
एका सायडीन CRZ आहा.
7-8% आमचे न्हंयो आनी वॉटर बॉडीज, खाजन आसतले तातूंत वॉटर बॉडीज आसा. उरता आमकां फक्त व्हेरी नॅरो बँड ऑफ 21 का 22% आमची लँड, जातून आमकां सगळें करपाक जाय, जातून आमच्या फुडल्या पिळगेचोय उदरगत करपाक जाय, तांचे एस्पिरेशन आमकां लक्षांत घेवपाक जाय, जातून आमकां सैमा बरोबर एकठांय जावन रावपाक जाय. आमी म्हाका दिसता ह्या विचारान जर वचत आनी जर आमी नवे डेफिनेशन जर गोंयचे प्लॅनिंग क्षेत्रान जर हाडपाक शकता, जे आमचे सरकार आतां चालू केलां, एक ओवरऑल होलिस्टीक प्लॅनिंग, तर आय थिंक
पर्सन ऑफ गोवा ओरिजीन थारावच्या पेक्षा गोंयची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी कितें आसा हे पयलीं डिफायन करपाक जाय. सांगात.
When you are trying to define a carrying capacity is another way of saying you are giving special status. It can how do you stop the carrying capacity? Are you going to block the borders? Are you going to have passports? Are you going to have visas?
No.
Let us not. 1 minute. Let me
there are ways and means.
There are ways and means for everything.
Yeah.
That is the final argument.
Final.
Again, this is another emotional issue. Let us have it the capacity. When you say carrying capacity, you are trying to say that he said it. 15 lakhs, let us make it 20 lakhs. So it becomes 25. Let us put it 25 lakhs. After that, what you are going to do? Stop people coming inside?
No, then you are going to revise.
1 minute. Again, sorry. So what you are fooling?
No.
You are taking a temporary solution.
No.
It is just like a regional plan.
Let me clarify.
1 minute. Let me finish. Instead of doing an operation, you are putting a band-aid, stick it up. After some time, put it. No. Point is that carrying capacity is another way of separate special status. These are different names. What is special status? Something like that only. A Goan will not be allowed to buy land. This one will not be. Not all that.
Let me just add to what because since I had raised it up. See, when you say carrying capacity, let us say you are defining carrying capacity for the next, let's say, next 10 years, 10 years horizon year, which is there even in the planning area, ODP or original plan.
That is defined.
Yes. So you say that we want population only this, we are only this much population.
For 10 years?
No, for 10 years.
After 10 years again?
No. Because planning is a dynamic issue. It's not a static issue. But when you do that,
no, I got your point. आम्ही ताचेर येवया. हांव परतून तुमकां सगळ्यांक झारखंडान कितें जालां तें सांगता. म्हणजे ताचेर आमची डिबेट स्टार्ट जाली आनी पोगो बिलाचेर आमी फुडें वता. झारखंडान जशें आमचे 19 फेब्रुवारी 1968 ही कट ऑफ डेट हा गोंया खातीर म्हणजे कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट तूं घेतलो डॉमासायल जाल्यार 19 फेब्रुवारी 1968 पयलीं तुजो फोर फादर्स गोंयान रावता हेचो प्रूफ जाय नाल्यार कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट मेळना. तशी कट ऑफ डेट 1985 ही झारखंडा खातीर आशिल्ली. ती तेंच्यांनी आतां 1932 करपाची थारायला बेस्ड ऑन अ ब्रिटीश सर्वे कंडक्टेड इन दोज डेज. गोंयान 1975 लँड सर्वे जाला
in
Goa. Suppose Jharkhand, forget about the Pogo bill. Jharkhand, BJP has supported it, and Akhil Jharkhand Student Union also supported the Jharkhand bill. Central and BJP government असा आणि 9 शेड्यूलान ते घालपा ती कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनची अमेंडमेंट जाली मानून घेवया की जाली. तर झारखंडाच्या लायनीचेर डॉमासायल डिफायन करपा खातीर हू आर गोन्स नॉट लायक पोगो मीन्स कोणी तरी खंयचे तरी दुसरी सिटीजनशीप घेतली आणि तेकाय गोंयकार आमी म्हणटले तशें न्ही. झारखंडाच्या लायनीचे जर आमी जर करपाक वयतले वेदर तशें करप योग्य जातलें वा
what will be the benefit?
That is
do that and get what?
No, if I may
see,
just
in Jharkhand, don't forget, the major population is tribal.
Tribal, yes.
Please understand, there is a different, the whole demographic is different there.
Yeah.
You bring it in 1975, it was a survey over here.
Yeah.
What, okay, today there is a law in place which says that 75% should be Goans in private industries.
Yeah.
Now there are two arguments there. Some say Goans don't want to work.
Yeah.
And they are saying we don't get the Goan employment.
Yeah.
So all these are again juggleries and trying to fool the people. Then go concrete, as he was also saying. Talk of development, talk of this, talk of that. The jobs and all will all fall in place.
Yeah.
If you get proper development, you get proper infrastructure,
Yeah.
everything will fall in place.
Yeah.
But we are diverting the issue because we cannot satisfy the other side.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Then we talk of 75%.
Yeah.
This law was brought when Louisine Valero was a law minister.
Yeah.
You see,
the 15-year the
and he was
residence also he
minister
made compulsory.
Okay.
Yes.
What I'm trying to say, where it is there, go and see.
Yeah.
Can you see Goans? You can't see Goans.
Yeah.
But there's other side of argument. Goans don't want to work.
No, if the Jharkhand succeeds
if I may just,
in constitutional amendment, whether Goa should go for it. That is my question.
Total different situation.
I will just add
and
there.
Jharkhand is not succeeding for your information.
I will just add there.
No, that's why I put the
It was
hypothetical
struck down.
tension.
Please
The
understand.
very fact that Jharkhand Assembly itself has passed with a rider saying that we want this bill to be added to the 9th schedule
Yes.
speaks volumes of whether it is constitutional or unconstitutional.
That means
Yes.
they are trying to take the protection of the constitution.
They mean that maybe probably some degree of politics is going on there also.
Some degree
Now,
everywhere.
No.
Because
With respect to this bill,
Yes.
why it is passed? To address or to a certain section of the population. Now, आम्ही पयलीं म्हणला की पोगो बिलांत problems दोन-sided आसा. One is identification and the other is what rights or liabilities or what rights you are giving or taking. Now, insofar as Jharkhand bill is concerned, also that same rule will apply. So, if you define and it say that okay, we would give caste certificate only to those, otherwise we will not give, may still qualify. I am saying using the word may because I have not read the bill. Okay, it is not there on the net also.
No,
I have only read some commentaries here and there.
Yeah.
So that may qualify, but with respect to what you want to give, that would create and that would still be a hurdle there also. The lawmakers in the parliament will not agree to that. Now, if you
They
say
are increasing the reservation to 70%.
which is against the
up to 70%.
no, which is against the Supreme Court's ruling, which is
Cannot be more than
50%.
50%.
No, आता
No,
कितें आसा पळय.
in that bill, it is
हांव कितें
mentioned.
म्हणटा पळय. So let us say you even in this bill, let us say you do this you identify, and then you say we will give 5% reservations to Pogo. It may become constitutional. I'm using the word may. Why? Because, but nowhere in the bill, because this bill which is there as a whole, when you read in context what we say, it has to say why you're doing it. Why it is being done. The justification and the preamble of the bill,
objectives,
nothing is stated. So therefore there also it says how you're giving. So it is basically what rights you're giving and what rights you're taking. Now let me come there to the bill, because I mean basically here bill vis-a-vis Jharkhand. Jharkhand is just a context. We want to discuss this bill. What they want, what does the bill want to do? Bill किने करूंक सोदता 3 Section 3 असा पळय तेजेनी 2 A आणि B असा. एक म्हणटा 100% government jobs to Pogo. Let us say for argument's sake Pogos are defined and as on date only 3 lakh people are Pogo in Goa. As of 3 lakh, because we are going to that 1961 date, 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs let's say are Pogo. Rest of the people are outside the purview of Pogo.
Rest of the people Bobo.
No go. Pogo.
Bobo did
So तेंचे कितें जातलें?
Bobo.
तेंचे कितें जातलें? Around maybe that means we are talking about more than 70-80% of the population
left out.
Is left out. Now what it means? They cannot get government jobs. Okay, so you cannot aspire to be a. That means you are directly conflicting with where it's 19 says you can go anywhere, work anywhere, and do reside anywhere.
Anywhere in India.
1, 2, 3, 6 as a point. Okay, then it's directly violating them. You are leaving a big chunk of people outside the purview of government jobs. It also means that you, in effect, we say law is always two-sided. It gives something, it takes something. You are taking away the right of government jobs from these people, that population, which is unconstitutional. Okay, absolutely. Second part, it says that दुसरे असा पळय 75%, पयनी म्हणिल्लें ताणें 80%, आता ते म्हणटा 75% private jobs. Let us say that is also done. That means you are saying that 25% of the population will get 75% is out. It means in a way, आणि मागीर ते schemes म्हणटा पळय न्ही 100% schemes for Pogo. These people will come and pay tax. They are contributing to the economy, but they get benefit none. Benefit काय मिळायचे ना. It means in effect the entire the part population, substantial population असा पळय न्ही, तांकां तूं you are leaving them with on 25% government jobs or labor jobs. Or as the bill says, contracts above 10 crores, up to 10 crores only for Pogo. So you are talking, it's a double whammy. You are talking about not only destroying Goa, its economy, its social fabric, everything will be destroyed. So therefore, the one who has drafted the bill is very clever. He knows that short term he wants this much benefit. Let's say 1 year, 5 years, I want this benefit. In the long run, he knows that this bill is unconstitutional. And Trojan Baban Siddhartha, he would have come, somebody from there, that side would have come to at least debate and have a constructive debate.
That's what I was coming to. Dotor has rightly presented his case as a lawyer. Dotor is not seeing it with the political eyes, the way I am seeing it and Siddhartha is seeing it. Politically, they are now watching us and laughing. That doctor is talking all the merits and demerits of it. They are not bothered about it. They have got a political agenda, which they succeeded to some extent.
He also said how to get through it. By adding one clause to it.
No, the question is, they are now enjoying the fun here. I mean, we will discuss merits and demerits. My question is, let us not waste time on this. This is the jugglery. It is not going to hold constitution. He has explained it threadbare. But that is what they want us to waste time on. And I beg of you never to discuss this again. The very fact that they have come again, you must be able to, as an editor, influence the people of Goa.
Why we are discussing?
Why
we are discussing? Because one assembly in this country,
even the assembly,
they have passed the bill.
Has a rider in it.
So
they also very well probably know about it.
They know that there is a constitutional blockage. So they are trying to take a protection, getting included in the 9th schedule.
9th schedule, yes.
Politics apart. As a politician, Trojan Bab as a politician is a different person. But the moment he goes and becomes part of the government, his approach changes, his responsibility changes. He has to be looking not from political prism, but he has to look as a whole, maybe of the state, for the state. Similarly, when we are looking at the center, as politicians, it will be different. But as lawmakers, tenka kide asa federal structure, unity of the country, one domicile, which recently in 22 the Supreme Court has said there will be only one domicile, not more than one domicile, and that will be uniform. They jenna म्हणला पळय नी, then how do you think that even Jharkhand bill will qualify?
No, it cannot qualify.
That will not qualify.
Yes.
That is passed, like for example, let's say a state assembly passes a resolution against, let's say, that CAA.
Yeah.
Which
See,
is
the politics there is very clear that BJP, who is the main opponent, also supports it.
Yeah.
No, see,
That's politics of it.
against
At the end of the day.
CAA against resolution pass kelle, some states, some state assemblies.
Yeah.
But does it qualify that now center will agree to it? No, citizenship is a central domain. It's in the
Absolutely
central
central
domain.
Yeah.
So therefore, हे पळय आसा पळय नी, बाकीचे सगळे आसा पळय आमचे झारखंड बिल आसा, it will fall apart.
Yeah.
It will fall apart. The governor will send the bill back
Yeah.
for reconsideration. Maybe next time, then परत हाडीत जाल्यार my court will strike it down.
Otherwise, he will refer to central.
But it is if you send it in the centers as a center's responsibility, center will not accept it.
Yeah.
Center will absolutely not accept it. There is no ground for accepting a bill which is so, because हांव कितें म्हणटा पळय हांगा आसा, even this bill I have used the word very carefully. The secessionist हें आसता तेका tones.
The division tones.
Secessionist म्हणजे कशें आसा, आमी आतां फायनली गोवा वी आर सेपरेट, बिकॉज बाकीच्या सगळ्यांक भायर उडयलें, आमी इतलेंच करतले आतां. No center will accept it. The courts will not accept it. So therefore थंयच्यानूय पळयत जाल्यार न्ही, because it's that ideology which is exclusive to the rest, which is not applicable, which is not accepted. It was neither in the past, अजून सुद्धा ती acceptable ना.
सिद्धार्थ बाब तुमच्याकडे येता, म्हणजे हो लार्जर कॉन्टेक्स्टांत आतां तेंच्यांनी इश्यू घाला. एक आतां आमी पळयता आमचे शेजारचे महाराष्ट्र राज्य आसा आनी कर्नाटक अशें राज्य आसा, तांचो बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट चालू आसा. हरियाणा आणि तांची बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट जरी सॉल्व जाली तरी चंदीगड कोणाचे हो अजून प्रश्न सोडवंक ना. तेका लागून युनियन टेरिटरी चंदीगड दवरपाची पडले. नागालँड आसत, मिझोराम आसत, आसाम आसत, तांची बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट अजून हे जावंक ना. ह्या कंटेक्स्टान आमी गोंया कडेन जर पळयले जाल्यार गोंय आतां जे आयज आमी पळयता ते कितें तर पोर्तुगीजांनी फाटीं कितें दवरला ते गोवा. गोंयची जर पयलींची बाउंड्री जर आमी पळयली जाल्यार फ्रेंचांचे जे मॅप आसा ते गुजराता पासून अगदी केरळच्या बॉर्डरी मेरेन गोवा दाखयल्लो आहा तांच्यांनी. खूप डिस्प्युटेड हे सगळे गजाली आसा.
म्हाका दिसता आमी खूब फाटीं वचून अननेसेसरी वी आर रेकिंग अप
हय
इश्यूज.
हय
जे गोंय आसा तें आमी साकार करया, तें आमी प्रिजर्व करून दवरया.
हय
तें आमकां वाडोवपाक जाय, ताजी उदरगत करपाक जाय.
हय
बेटर नव्यो बाउंड्री डिस्प्यूट्स काडून ते गुजरात पर्यंत वचून ते कोचीन पर्यंत वचून झगडून
हय
आमकांय काय मेळपाक ना आनी त्याय राज्यान काय मेळपाक ना.
हय
म्हाका दिसता आमी आमचे माणकुले गोंय बरे भशेन करया.
न्ही बरे भशेन आमी सांबाळून कशें दवरतले.
States reorganization bill झाले 1956 and that has settled most of it.
That is settled.
It has settled most of it.
Whatever boundary disputes are there, that is also within the law. They will settle it.
They will settle it.
Yeah. So there is no
पण गोंय राखून दवरपाक जाय अशें जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा ते कशा अर्थान आमी म्हणटा.
कल्चर इज अ इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस.
हय
जे कल्चर आमचे 1000 वर्सां फाटीं आशिल्लें
हय
तें
आयज ना.
400 वर्सां फाटीं नाशिल्लें,
हय
ते 200 वर्सां फाटीं नाशिल्लें आनी तें आयज ना.
आयज ना.
Culture will always evolve with the new generation.
Culture is a changing dynamic situation.
The changing dynamics.
हय
आयची आमची फुडली पिळगी जी आसा
हय
ते तांचे कल्चर कितें आसतलें. आयज सोशल मिडियाचो इतलो इन्फ्लुएन्स आसा.
हय
आयज वर्ल्ड इज अ प्लेइंग स्टेज.
हय
सो म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार सुज्ञ आसा.
हय
वी आर व्हेरी कॉम्पिटंट टू प्रिजर्व वॉट वी वॉन्ट टू प्रिजर्व अँड वी वील डू इट.
ना म्हणजे असले कितें तरी नाका जाल्ले प्रश्न फुडें हाडून गोंयकारांक
हे खंय तरी ते एका सेक्शनाक तांणी ते अशें भावनीक अपील केलें. त्या सेक्शनाक ते भावनीक अपील थोडेशें तांकां पटलें. गोंयकारो सॉफ्ट आसता, हेय जाणा, हे राजकारणी. सो त्या पर्टिक्युलर सेक्शनाक ताणें अपील करून तांकां मातशें खूश केलें. ताच्या बदलाक तांकां एक थोडोसो एक सीट मेळ्ळो, काठार तांकां मेळ्ळो, पूण एक सीट आयलो. हाज्या फुडें तें वचना, हाज्या फुडें ताका ट्रॅक्शन ना, हाज्या फुडें ते वचूंक शकना, हाज्या फुडें ताका मानून घेवपाक कोण ना, ताका ऑडियन्स कमी जाल्या. आनी तेंय जे सेक्शन आसा तांकांय कळून चुकलां की हें रॉंग आसा म्हणून.
पण एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी म्हणून हे जे कितें आसा हो विशय तुमी लोकां मेरेन कशें व्हरूंक शकता.
लोकां मेरेन आमी व्हरत आसा हो विशय.
कशें व्हरता
म्हणून गेल्या इलेक्शनाक तांकां फक्त काठारच एक आमदार मेळ्ळो. नाजाल्यार हो जर विशय आशिल्लो इलेक्शनाचो जाल्यार भारतीय जनता पक्षाक 20 आमदार मेळचेच नाशिल्ले.
राष्ट्रवादाच्या विरोधातलो विशय आसा
हो दोतोरान सांगितलें तशें दिस हॅज गॉट अंडरटोन्स ऑफ सेसेशन. गोंय राज्याक हळू कसो करप आनी ताका कसो तोडप, म्हणजे एक कल्चरल विशय हाडप, मागीर ताका खंय तरी गोंयकार काय भायलो हो विशय हाडप आनी हळू करून ताका भारत देशा कडल्यान तो ताजो कुडको तोडून व्हरप. हे जे विचार जे अलगाववादी विचार आसा ह्या बिलान क्लियरली ते दिसून येता हाका कांय वैधता ना सो हाजेर एक्चुअली डिस्कशनय जावपाक शकना आनी ट्रोजन बाबा म्हणले तशें ते थंय बसून आयज आमची मजा पळयता केले आमी आनी टायमपास करता हे म्हणून ते थंय आसतले की आमी थंय आमी सुटले आमी थंय ते आमी हेराल्ड टीव्हीक आमी चकमा दिलो ते 4-5 दिसांक खेळत दवरले लास्ट मिनिट ना म्हणले आमकां हातून वचपाचेच ना पूण हे बावडे हांगा डिबेट करता ही परिस्थिती आयज आसा
See, how just adding there, see, how do we preserve what we have?
Yeah.
I fully agree. Culture is an evolving process, and what is that?
हांवें कितें म्हटलें की हे बिल हाडल्या फाटल्यान तांची जी भाशणां जर पळयली जाल्यार गोंय आमकां राखून दवरपाक जाय गोंयचे मनीस राखून दवरपाक जाय म्हणून आमी बिल हाडटा
it is at least the three panelists who are here now today unanimously will say that this bill instead of गोंय राखून दवरपाक न्ही गोंय तोडपाक गोंय तोडपाक
हे
राखून दवरपाक कांय ना
डिवाइड द पीपल
डिवाइड वन अगेन्स्ट द अदर
डिफरंट अदर्स
इतलेंच आनी कांय ना
लोकांची झुजां लावप
लावप आनी
तातूंतल्यान खंय तरी एक आपलो फायदो करून घेवप हे हो एक मोटीव
आतां पळय कितें आसा सपोज इफ यू वॉन्ट दिस बिल ऑर कितें एक लॉ हाडपाक जाय लॉज आर ऑलरेडी वी नीड टू इम्प्लिमेंट लँड सिलींग एक दवरया आमी ओके इफ इट इज नाव when I said
नाल्यार शेताची जमीन शेतकाराकच घेवपाक मेळटली
because when I said that certain things carrying capacity म्हणली न्ही then it does not mean putting a legal ceiling that way it in words we enact legislation which say that okay only to Goans domiciled Goans then it becomes constitutional not to say that only 1961 whoever let's say we put 30 years let's say ते धरपाक 30 वर्सां कोण आसा पळय न्ही बापूयन रावला पुताक मेळटलें धरया ओके that can be
domicile date आसा 19 February 1968 ही domicile date already
certificates
no it is already decided by parliament
correct
no that is for caste certificate now this is for generally applicable to purchase land or to sell land आसा पळय buying and selling of land तेका म्हणटा that domicile you can separately institute in a legislation
instead of this
so think in atle magir or let's say the area that somebody can purchase there can be a ceiling these are all measures wherein you will while development will take place you will also make sure that people do not come to this land in the flocks that they are coming today they may not come so in a way we are protecting तशें तर आमी स्टील प्रोटेक्टिंग गोवा
आयज मनोहरबाईन हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन केलें कित्याक केलें सी वी हॅव टू फायनली फायंड वेज टू इकॉनॉमिकली ब्लॉक पीपल आमचे गोंयकारांक जर सक्षम करत तांकां जर भाजी विकपाक जर लायत जाल्यार भायलो येवन हांगा भाजी विकपाचो प्रश्न येना सो हाजो एक अर्थ आशिल्लो ते हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन स्थापन करपाक हॉर्टिकल्चराचे गाडे अशे वाड्यार घालपाक सो काही प्रमाणात ते बरे सक्सेसफुली जालें
म्हणजे गोंयकारांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय बिलाची गरज ना मेजर्स हाडपाक जाय
वी हॅव टू गेट इकॉनॉमिकल मेजर्स
आय विल जस्ट एड देर आतां कितें आसा पळय there is a big chunk of individuals who have left Goan shores who have taken Portuguese citizenships and now staying outside India are supporting this bill because तांकां कितें सांगलां की he will get them the dual citizenship absolutely rubbish it is not his domain to enact that
it's a center
and
it's a policy decision
why
it is a very major decision
it is not only for Pogo it's across Goa जावचें इंडिया जावचें
across India जावचें
दुसरें आसा they must be watching somebody or they must be watching this what I am saying is that तुम्ही भायर वचून रावले न्ही आता now pack your bags some of you come and start businesses here
contribute to Goa
become entrepreneurs in Goa don't just speak from there become entrepreneurs from Goa employ only Goans and therefore you go by Pogo you go because you believe in this but you speak from there and सगळे जर केलें आनी गोंयकार जो गोंयकार हांगा रावला पळय तेजेर रिस्ट्रिक्शनां घालप तेजेर हें करप आय थिंक इवन मॉरली एथिकली ऑल्सो इज नॉट प्रॉपर डू इट आय हॅव नो इश्यूज डू इट दॅट वे यू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हियर एक 5 वर्सां 10 वर्सां रावले कम बॅक एक मे बी इन एग्रीकल्चर मे बी इन small SMEs whatever that it may be business start kara and kara in 10 years if you keep a 10 years horizon dar dovollo ami maybe a change we will see let's give business to more of this Pogo also we are doing it otherwise also so korea they but this is not the way how things can go forward this is disastrous
see final comment is all this Pogo is I again repeat and I very firm on it it is a political gimmick let's not get this type of bills that divide the people.
Yeah.
Let's live like human beings.
Yeah.
Understand each other's problems.
Yeah.
See the economic development, how it can help every Goan. As he had just now also pointed out, and it is also a very good scheme when that horticulture corporation was brought out by, and it gave a lot of Goans.
Yeah.
Some misused it. That happens in every situation.
Yeah.
So I think Pogo bill deserves no discussion. The very fact the assembly has not accepted it also is another thing. And let us not give it more this, because they are trying to, they want it to be kept alive. It benefits them, but they cannot keep it alive. We, by debating, is keeping it alive. They are running away from it. It is a very clear sign that they cannot stand this bill itself.
फाटली एक वर पॉइंट काउंटर पॉइंट प्रोग्रामान आम्ही पोगो बिल आणि झारखंडान असेंब्लीन जे बिल पास केले ताच्या रेफरन्स घेऊन आम्ही काय डिस्कशन केले, आम्ही गोंय कशें राखूंक शकता हाच्या विशींचे बरेच मुद्दे आणले. कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी जी आहा ती डिफायन करपाक जाय, कल्चरल कशें इवॉल्व जायत वयता आमी ते आमी पळयले, गोंया भायर रावपी गोंयकार कशे आहा ते पळयले, जांच्यांनी सिटीजनशीप सोडल्या तांची फेट कितें आहा ताचेर आमी हे केलें आनी तांच्यांनी करेक्टीव मेजर्स कितें घेवपाक जाय हाचेर आमी भासाभास केली. ट्रोजन बाब, रायकर बाब आणि सिद्धार्थ बाब तुम्ही हांगा आयले, तुमचो आमकां टायम तुम्ही दिलो, त्याच्या खातीर तुमकां देव बरें करूं.
थँक्यू.
नमस्कार.
ते मजा मारता.